Hi, welcome back to the main goal, the main thing that we're going to deal with. So we are going. I've divided the whole course into one, two, three sections. Let me say four sections. What we're going to deal in. The first part of the course is going to be about sourcing, and the next one is the procurement, the other stage, and the next one is the shipping, the finally marketing, how to go about marketing your imported product to make money off it. So let's go straight to how to find the right product to start with. So there has been these questions from maybe from people over the years. How do I get hot in demand product? How do I do this? How do I do this? Let's dive into it and see how we can go about knowing how to find the right product to start with. So there are lists to check when making the decision of selecting product to start with. The size, volume, and the weight of the product, and the product's demand on the market, especially international market, where it is yet to be known to your local market. So it is very important to consider this in the competition in the market. The interest in the need it falls. The interest in the need it falls. It is very important. The need also, I may say, it stand for the category of product or the type of product you like. Some people will like clothing, which is apparels. Some will have much knowledge in electronics, like me. I have much knowledge about electronics. I have much knowledge about gadgets. So I do was selling gadgets than clothing. So it is very important for you to discover your interest, and then that is your power, your stronghold for marketing and the competition on the market. So let's go straight to our browser and see some of the ways we can go about finding this product to start with. Considering the weight and everything, it is very important to see what is selling and how you make it. So you can get this product from other e-commerce sites. This is how you go about it. We have one English site which used to be a wholesale, but now it's for me, I see it as a retail site. Things are expensive there for me, so I don't shop there again that much. Although it's good, it is in English. So this is how you go about. You can use Facebook, you can use AliExpress, other retail websites, but I prefer using this because people from all over the world buy from here. So the data I get from here tells me the product itself when I'm doing it or when I bring it down. Yeah, these are the things I do. You can also use Facebook, or you can use your local e-commerce website. In my case, I will use Jumia. We have Jumia, so I'll use Jumia Ghana. I would use these three platforms just to select a product for ourselves. So this is how it is. I would base my research on the gadget electronic niche. I'll base my research on the electronics niche. So this is what happens. You can see this product that have the front end of the page. It also tells that these products are selling, although they are promo that are running, but these things can only get here when you are only eligible to put your product up for sales when the product is doing well. You can see this IPC, well, this phone has over 106 orders, so it qualifies for it to be put on the front end. And you can see this product, weird product sells a lot. So you can see Jumia has categorized the people. best sellers, for recommendations. They recommend something for you to get. These recommendations are normally things that people are buying a lot. So these are some of the ways you can choose the product. So let me click and get some recommendations from here. I think it's all zero, so it's not active. But from the store end, let me see, where will we go to? Okay, let's deal with video, audio. We want accessories. Let me quickly alert or warn on this. Starting this business, don't go in for these electronic gadgets, phones and laptops for sale. It will not help you. It's high risk for a starter. It's a high risk for a starter. Why do I say it's a high risk for a starter? You may bring down a phone and the phone is not functioning well. You would have to return it. Returning means you have to pay for the shipping for yourself. It's a whole process. So electronics, like phones that is of high value, is not advisable to start with as a starter. It's not advisable to start with. So like I said, these are front end. You can go through and find accessories and see when let's say computing accessories. Let's choose this category and see. So you can select by the stars. The stars will tell you that more people are buying into it, more people are buying it. So you can go ahead. You can see the OTG pen drive I did talk about. That is it here. That is 69 cedis over here. The current rate is 4.7 by the forwarding company. So that is 14, almost $15. So if we use this as a case study, we can see how much this we can get these OTGs. You can see 12 bought from this side. It means that particular pen drive is selling. So if I want to, I can go ahead and start with it because it shows people like it. So I can go ahead and find that product. So that it is. I've used it to get this product. This is the product I get from here. Let's go to AliExpress, the home page, and look at the price of the bag. Here, get the same bag. Later you realize you get it more cheaper. So here we are on AliExpress home page. When you open it, these are, if you go to www.aliexpress, this is how it's like the home page. Then you come straight to flash deals. It also give a gist about it. Okay, since as they have been taking off that option, AliExpress used to have best selling. It seems they've taken off. So trending style will be the best category, the best page to go. Trending style will deal with apparel. So let's go on for the flash deals. The flash deals will tell us, give us much more. Like I said, I'll go in for gadgets. So the flash deals will tell us what is selling and what is not selling. The flash deal is not doing us a favor. These are deals that are going on, so it's not doing us a favor. Let's go back and get this well. AliExpress has taken the option of best selling. But if you look at this, if you want to see what people find more, like we've gotten from here, Samsung, the OTG pen drive cell. For you to be sure itself, you can only type flash drive or pen drive. Then you see the search result. Okay, let me use OTG. Now you know that it's OTG that sells. So you can see OTG about 15,000. People search for it a lot. OTG, micro USB. This is what people search for. This is the highest people search for a lot. And adapters which are not the flash drives and service also. They can help you to find the product. But the best way I prefer getting this product is this, the hot in demand product. This is how I get them. What I go do is I come to Facebook and type this. Normally people use shorten URL. You use bit.ly. You can see when I type just that, it's already giving me result already of what people have done. So free shipping, order now or discount. So I will say either of these phrases is okay to go with. I'll choose on the free shipping because people like a lot of free shipping. So the free shipping will give me more accurate data on things hot in demand. So when it comes here, the first thing, one rule of marketing now with Facebook is video ads convert most. So which means that the best results will be gotten from the video. So the next thing I do is come to videos. Wow, you can see how you can go about choosing the best products. Wonderful products. Some are not even in your local company. So free shipping, order now. Look at the view on this product. That is 124,972 views. Which means a lot of people have viewed it. Probably whoever is selling this product is killing it. It's killing it big time. This will even help you get the products videos that you can also use to market or your local market. So you see, order it as you control. So you can use here to have access to whoever is selling it website, and you can know things that are moving. Since this is a brand, this baby care product, so you can see it tells you that a lot has gone on here. They have bought a lot. So let's look at other products also. Get it while it's still 50% off. So let's look at this product too. And let's have a look at this. I like this tech gadgets. And let's look at this too. Reduce swelling, boost blood circulation, relieve itchy heels and feet with the amazing product. Look at the views, over 1 million. It means people like the product. And a lot of sales is going on with it. You can see a lot of wonderful products that are coming in. So per view, you go through and find which are the product that you think is unique. You watch the video. When the product is unique and you like it, which means your sellers.
It doesn't like taste weird, but
Okay.
that's how it comes.
Let me pause this. Okay. So what is it? It's a teeth whitening product. It's all natural. It's an all natural product for teeth whitening. You can see it's working. So you can just go ahead and go into their website to see the price they are selling it. Also, if you decide on doing it, then you can go ahead. $20, then it's $20. You can find similar products or the same product and you start selling it. So let's just get this. This is a brand, so it is a customized one. Some of these products, people are in the business for them, so they only thing is good brand. They give it their own branding, but the content is always the same. So just get the average of it while saying products. You may not get the same brand that other brands, the general brand. These ones are mostly customized. And that it is for this product here. Let's have a look at. That is also a selfie drone. A selfie drone for kids. A selfie drone, a cool gadget. It's like a drone. You can use it to take selfie of yourself. You can see how it's working over there. That is what it does. It has a lot of function. You can get it. It's a hot demand. You can sell it, market it well, and sell it with full profit. So this is a selfie drone. So let's see how much is being sold here. Product. It's a hot product. The eggs, anti-fatigue compression socks. So you can see what this product is all like. This also helps you to get the ad write-ups that you can use in marketing. You can see it's just a soft anti-fatigue sock. Something like this will help you. You can sell it well. So let's see how much. $17. Oh my god. You can see anti-fatigue. So later we will do a case study of this product. So let me just leave them. Let me just clean them quickly. So we search for this product. Okay, that it is for finding the hot or the best product you can start that can sell fast. Thank you. See you in the next.